Waiting, waiting, waiting. It's a waiting, waiting game. Oh, we have another vehicle arriving. Let's see who this is. Who is this? Who is this? It's a new vehicle in the area. Could be a Uber Eats. Okay, could be a Uber Eats. Alright, looks like it's just regular people. Looks like, yeah, they're tapping on the winch, on the... Okay, it looks like normal people. Okay. Oh, Carlos and Letty Protein Shake Business. They're backing out. They're back open again. Okay. Carlos and Letty Protein. Oh, the kids are out. Okay, the kids are out. And I guess that's it. Don't really see much activity. These individuals are just waiting there, so I'm not sure. They're just waiting there. They just arrived at 6:32 p.m. July 23rd, 2026, Thursday evening. Okay. This is shortly after the female 5130 new postal worker employee 5130. Prearranged physical attack. Okay, most likely with a weapon. With a weapon, guys. Get ready. Okay, don't say nothing. Okay, pretty normal activity. These individuals are just sitting there. I'm not sure if they were instructed to just sit there or what, but it sure looks like it. They're not from this area. I haven't seen that vehicle around. It looks like a... Okay, I do see somebody in there. Could be neighbors. Okay, could be neighbors. But they're not in a hurry to step out to visit anybody, that's for sure. They're just waiting. Okay, that's not really what we were concerned about. Okay. It's not really what we wanted. Bada bing, bada boom. That's it. Bada bing, bada boom. Not much we can do, guys. Alright, can I be by the window? Express should be arriving shortly, guys. Not much we can do. Not much we can do, guys. We tried. harassment. That's it. Party's over, guys. Ex-wife should be arriving. Not much we can do. No can do, guys. We gotta chill out. The individual is still waiting inside the vehicle. Obviously, they have been instructed to just sit there as social acting. You can clearly see that firsthand, okay? They've been instructed to do so, plain social acting, and that's the information of the vehicle, okay? Social acting. Second character witnesses. Carlos Andetti, Protein Shake Business. And that's it, okay? Standing by. We do have new employees of organized crime. They might or might not know that they're involved in this type of criminal activity of state fraud, mental health hospital, inpatient entrapment. This is the vehicle clearly instructed to park as far back as possible within our visual contact, okay? It is meant for entrapment purposes. Pretty close to my doorstep, working alongside this young teenager as well. And this is the most recent attack with a weapon. Most likely the U.S. Postal Worker Employee Female 5130 trying to sneak up on me. And obviously, this is Town of Cicero officials and our current Mayor Larry Dominic and Nello Greco, main proprietor of 5132. How they're planning on dealing with any association of affiliation or blame if something happens to me physically or electronically from long-term electronic harassment from any electrical source outlet, military-grade technology. Okay, this is it right here. If you want to get rid of somebody, you attack the brain electronically. If you want to get away with the murder, just follow along how Town of Cicero officials are working simultaneously every second of the day with the Martinez family, and we have a community gang stalking as a confirmation. Okay, there we go. So these individuals are not in a hurry to visit anyone, okay? These individuals have been instructed to basically sit there as catfish, bait, focus, follow attention span. I knew something was up the moment I saw the individual tapping on his driver's side top, okay? He was tapping there as if he's going to be spending a lot of time sitting there, okay? So that's exactly what's going on. Standing by. Waiting. Okay, pretty normal activity. Other than the entrapment. Okay, I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. Okay, no police officers in the area. No police officers, guys. Nada. Okay, we're gonna have to wait and see, guys. I don't see nothing. Okay, we're gonna have to chill out. Chill out. Okay, moving along. Moving along.